What is happening, crypto fam? Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your daily headquarters for all things crypto. It's your boy, Gold Rush, and let me tell you, we have a potentially explosive situation brewing in the Shiba Inu market. We're talking about a bearish technical signal, a massive token transfer, and some serious whale activity. This is going to be interesting, and today we are covering two articles which will have you on the edge of your seat. A death cross is looming on the Shiba Inu chart, folks. This is a potentially devastating bearish signal that could send SHIB plummeting. Also, a mysterious whale just moved over 3.3 trillion SHIB tokens. Are big players accumulating before a massive pump, or is this a sign of a major sell-off? This is Gold Rush Crypto Daily, and you're in the right place to get the inside scoop. Let's start with this concerning article from U.Today. U.Today is reporting on a potentially catastrophic technical signal for Shiba Inu, the dreaded death cross. Shiba Inu's most recent market decline will more likely push the death cross formation, making it a reality. With the 50 exponential moving average crossing 200 exponential moving average, the bearish trend will solidify, indicating the end of the bullish phase for SHIB on the market. Unfortunately, only a strong and rapid price retrace will make things better now. A death cross, folks. That's when the 50-day exponential moving average, or EMA, crosses below the 200-day EMA. This is a major bearish signal, often indicating the end of a bull run and the start of a downtrend. The article says that only a strong and rapid price retrace can prevent this. This is not what we want to see, SHIB Army. The article goes into Shib's recent price action. Shiba Inu has indeed attempted to recover after the strong decline in January, currently trading at around $0.00001629. But things are still not that great, considering how much SHIB lost in the past. The 50 EMA has already reached the 200 EMA, and death cross looks unavoidable at this point in time. SHIB is trying to recover, folks, but it's still struggling. The 50-day EMA has already reached the 200-day EMA. The article states that the death cross looks unavoidable unless something drastic happens. But it is not all bad news, because the article does mention that low-level buyers are still active. So that is something to be optimistic about. It also mentions that SHIB might find some calm around 18, but that a breakout to 20 would lead to a bullish recovery. And here's another concerning point. The article mentions that SHIB whales were selling rapidly amid the recent market downturn. If that sentiment continues, we could see a plunge towards 13. Ouch. The death cross itself is a bearish factor, and it could scare off investors. A death cross, that is never an encouraging sign for any asset. Am I right? Okay, we've heard the bearish case for SHIB, with the looming death cross and potential downside. But now, let's shift gears and look at something that could potentially counter that bearishness. Let's check out this article from Tron Weekly, titled 36 trillion Shiba Inu tokens on the move. What's happening? Tron Weekly is reporting on a massive transfer of Shiba Inu tokens, folks. According to Whale Alert, a leading blockchain tracking service, exactly 3,368,549,976,020 SHIB tokens, worth around $51.15 million, were sent from a wallet identified as Gnosis Safe Proxy to an unknown blockchain address. The transaction, executed at 12:25 p.m. UTC, left the sender's wallet completely empty. 3.36 trillion SHIB tokens, folks, worth over $51 million. This was a single transaction, and it completely emptied the sender's wallet. This is huge. The recipient now holds the entire 3.36 trillion SHIB, and it is the largest asset by dollar value in their portfolio. Now, the reason for this massive transfer is unknown. The article speculates on a few possibilities. The reason behind this significant movement remains unknown, fueling speculation about whether it was a security-related redistribution or an over-the-counter, OTC, trade between private parties. Security-related redistribution or an over-the-counter trade, folks. Those are the two main theories. It could be someone moving their SHIB to a more secure wallet, or it could be a private sale between two parties outside of a regular exchange. We just don't know for sure. But here's what's interesting. The article also mentions that this isn't the first large SHIB transfer this month. This is not the first time a substantial amount of SHIB has been transferred this month. Just 2 days prior, on February 5th, a different unidentified investor moved 1.23 trillion SHIB tokens from the Kraken exchange into a private wallet. Typically, such withdrawals suggest long-term holding strategies rather than immediate sell-offs. Another massive transfer, folks. 1.23 trillion SHIB moved from Kraken to a private wallet. This suggests a long-term holding strategy, not a sell-off. And the article points out that large SHIB holders, those with between 10 trillion and 100 trillion tokens, have been steadily accumulating more. But here's where it gets a bit confusing. While the biggest whales are accumulating, mid-tier holders are selling. Interestingly, mid-tier investors have taken a different approach. Holders with between 100 billion and 1 trillion SHIB offloaded 3.16 trillion tokens, while those holding 1 trillion to 10 trillion SHIB sold an additional 2.05 trillion. This suggests that some investors may be taking profits or reallocating funds to other assets. So, the biggest whales are buying, but some smaller whales are selling. This creates some conflicting signals in the market. It's hard to say for sure what's going on. And what about Shib's price? The article acknowledges that it's struggling. Shiba Inu's price currently stands at $0.00001528, marking a steep decline of over 56.34% from its December highs of $0.000035. The token is also trading well below both its 50 and 100 exponential moving averages, EMAs. This signals that bullish momentum has significantly weakened. The moving average convergence-divergence line remains below the signal line and in negative territory, reinforcing continued selling pressure. Down over 56% from its December highs, folks, and trading below its 50 and 100-day EMAs. The moving average convergence-divergence, or MACD, is also bearish. These are not good technical signs. The article lays out some potential downside and upside targets. Technical indicators suggest that unless buying pressure picks up, SHIB could slip further. A failure to hold the current key support level of $0.000015 could push the price down toward $0.000012 or even $0.000010. Conversely, if Shiba Inu manages to break above $0.000018, a short-term rebound could occur, though resistance at $0.000020 may limit gains. If we don't see buying pressure, we could see SHIB drop to 12 or even 10, folks. But if it breaks above 18, we could see a short-term rebound with resistance at 20. Okay, let's connect the dots here. We have a looming death cross on the SHIB chart, which is a major bearish signal. We have conflicting whale activity, with some accumulating and others selling. And we have a price that's struggling to hold key support levels. In my opinion, this is a very uncertain situation for Shiba Inu. The death cross is definitely concerning, and we need to see some strong buying pressure to counter that. The whale accumulation is a potential positive sign, but we need to see if it continues. So, what do you think? Is this death cross going to send SHIB plummeting? Or are the whales accumulating before a major pump? Let me know your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another update. Also, be sure to share this video with your friends and fellow crypto enthusiasts. And don't forget to check out some of my other videos for more expert analysis and insights into the crypto market. I love hearing from you guys, so let's keep the conversation going in the comments. What other meme coins are you watching? What are your strategies for navigating this market? Let's build this crypto community together. Alright, crypto fam, that's all for today's episode of Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Remember, the crypto market is a wild ride. So always stay informed, do your own research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. This is Gold Rush, signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.